Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. So today I'm going to walk you through how to remove the share button on Facebook, and I'll be teaching you two main methods to do it quickly and easily. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what does the Facebook share button do? This enables your friend to share your post on their timeline, something that their friends can see. Many users somewhat like the share button because it allows them to share their post with their new friends. However, some people prefer privacy and would prefer the share button to be removed. It's a frequently used to spread the word about politics or sports, simply to share hilarious weird memes or whatnot. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a post. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open up our Facebook application. Then I'll click on the three lines and I'll go to my profile. From here, I will select photo and I will select any of the photo from the gallery. For example, if I'm selecting this, then I'll go to done. And from here, I have to click on the only me option. Here you have to go to friends only, so only your friends will be able to see this. They won't be able to share this on their own timeline, and they won't be able to show this post to other users. Tap done and post it. The final method to disable the share button on Facebook, you have to go back and then you have to click on the three lines, and you have to again come to the menu page, and here you have to scroll down and you have to click on settings and privacy. From here you have to go to settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on post. Then you have to click on who can see my future posts, and from here you have to select your friends. If this is set to public, that means that any Facebook users can share your post, and this is how you disable the Facebook share button in the Facebook. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.